again. Welcome again to another edition of Andrea's Trini Kitchen. It's raining outside, so it's raining. I guess it's raining all over the world. So to keep me warm and nice, I have a nice cool drink here. And today I'm going to make Paime. I've got all the ingredients together, and guess what? I got me some banana leaves or fig leaves, if you want to call it. I got these leaves in the international store, okay, in my area. So this is how it looks like before it is heated up on the stove. They are all rinsed out to take out that excess dust it might have on it. And I'm going to start my video right away. Okay, for this video I have 1.5 cup of finely grated coconut, 1 cup of pumpkin, grated pumpkin. Look how yellow and nice the pumpkin is. 2 cups of fine cornmeal, 1 cup of sugar, 4 ounces of butter, some water for mixing, 1/2 cup of raisin, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. So here we go. I'm going to bring Paime to you as it was made long ago. Let's start. Okay, to start with, I'm going to mix the pumpkin and also the grated coconut. I'm going to mix all the ingredients together. The cornmeal goes into. Here goes the sugar. Here goes the butter. The butter must be softened so it makes it work easier, okay? And you sort of toss it around a little bit. And while you're tossing, add a little water. Okay, guys. You can add salt goes in. The raisin goes in. Black pepper. Teaspoon of nutmeg, and good old cinnamon spice. Mix it together. Brings that nice Caribbean smell. It really smells good. Just mix it together. Enjoy the music, folks, while your girl Andrea brings to you Paime. I'll show you now how to warm the leaves, the banana leaves. Okay, what you do, if there's any roughness around the edges of the banana leaf, you just take your scissors and cut, okay? So this is how we warm the leaf. Put it over the stove. Okay, here we go, guys. This is warming the leaves to make it pliable, okay? You see the steam running through the leaves? It's like you're running a marathon. Beautiful. This is one way of doing it, or you can dip the leaf in really hot water, but this is the old-fashioned way. Okay? And it makes it more pliable, easy to manage when you are putting the Paime on the leaf to wrap it. See how beautiful it is? You're going to get all the edges. You gotta get all the edges. And this recipe is not a difficult recipe. You can eat it anytime. Like tonight, I'm going to watch the last episode of Medea, and I'm going to just chill out and just eat my Paime. Paime is it has different names throughout the Caribbean, but in Trinidad, Paime is Paime. It is spelled differently too. Paime, Paime. Paime is Paime. And the beautiful music in the back. Right here I have some water boiling. Right? If you don't have a steamer, you can use a pot, fill it with water halfway. You don't want the water to touch the bottom of the base of this. And you put your Paime inside here. Okay, folks? So this is how the leaf is done. Almost through. Let's do the edges now. See, it's getting all the edges here. This is what you like. It makes it more pliable. Look how it can bend. It can be very flexible. And for reinforcement, so sometimes even though you put the paime on the leaf, it could seep out, okay? So I'm going to reinforce it with some foil. I'm going to use this foil to reinforce it. So here we go. Alright, so here we look at this. Here I have some string for tying. You can buy the string and you can tie. You can use the edges of the leaves, chip out a piece and try and tie it, but I use the string. Okay? So here we go. This is the mixture here. So nice. So I'm going to put some middle. It all depends on how big you want it, okay? See the raisins? Beautiful. So now we bring the leaf like this. We bring the leaf like this. Hear my song playing. Bring it like that. Got a piece of string. See it seeping out there? That is what I'm talking about, seeping out. Sometimes it have a little crack in it. Okay guys? So this is perfect, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to reinforce it with what I've said. Okay? Reinforce it with a foil. Paime, Caribbean style, Trinidad style paime. So this one goes into the steamer. Okay, I'm going to do another one and then I'm going to come back in about 30-35 minutes for the finished product. Let me do another one. These leaves have already been heated up on the stove for pliability, as I've said. Take some of the paime. And the ingredients, I'm going to post it in the description box in the bottom so that you can see how to make it, and you can also leave me comments and tell me how it came out, if you like it, how it came out, okay? You gently turn it over because the leaves can crack, okay? But it's all in the fun. Take a piece of string. Yellow bird up in the banana tree playing, oh gosh. See, my daughter don't know about that song. She gotta look it up. You bring it like this, do not like this. Okay, it must be like this, and then you flip it over. Make a pretty little bowl, like if you're going to give a gift to someone. Beautiful. As I said, we're going to reinforce it with foil. Right? This is the size of the foil. You just gently fold it. Okay, and I'll be back in about 35 minutes with the finished product of my paime. So here we go. So the paime has been cooked for like 35 minutes. It's steamed, in fact, steamed in real hot water. And this is the finished product of my paime. So we are going to open it out and see how it looks. Okay, so I'm going to use the scissors. Cut the string. Flip it over. Remove the string. And gently, oh, it feels so firm and nice. Wow, all the aroma is coming through. All the spices, you can smell all the spices coming through. Oh my goodness. Wow. Look at that, folks. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut in. It's really firm. You can smell all the spices. It looks so beautiful. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to just cut and let you see. Look at it. Raisins and all that. to take a little bite of it. Right consistency, right amount of ingredients. The taste is out of this world. So, this is Paime coming from Trini's kitchen. When you leave a comment, please let me know what other video you want me to do, and I'll come out with much more beautiful video. Please subscribe to my channel. This is Andrea saying good night.